Welcome to my channel Learn with Atahualpa. Today I will explain how to create a project in the Altium program, which serves to make electronic circuit schematic and I-print circuit board. Below in the video description you can find the download link of the Altium program. We look for a brown light icon that has the shape of an inverted T, or type in the Altium search bar and right double click. In the upper left corner of the screen, you will find Word file, and we slide down a new word, and then slide to right, opens a tab that says project. Continue to slide. You will find PCB project and click PCB project. We will left click on the created file that is seen on the left side. Right click and seek to add the new project, then slide to the right, click on schematic.